Hello everyone, in this video we are going to go through CSS combinators, and for this video I'm going to use VS Code as my code editor. And if you need to learn more about Visual Studio Code, you can watch my videos and find the links in the description below. Moreover, we have got this index.html, a very basic HTML document. Let me show you what we have in this document. This is index.html, and let me keep both of them side by side. Alright, now a combinator is something that explains the relationship between the selectors. We have got a Descendant Selector. Let me type it for you. We have got Descendant Selector represented by space. Then we have got Child Selector represented by greater than sign. Then we have Adjacent Selector represented by plus sign. Then we have General Sibling Selector represented by tilde sign, and this is also Adjacent Sibling Selector, and we'll go through all of them one by one. Let's go back to our index.html and talk about Descendant Selector. Now I'm gonna add here a couple of divs and paragraphs, and within div I'm gonna have a couple of paragraph tags. Here I'm gonna type paragraph 1, then I'm gonna have another paragraph, and this is going to be paragraph 2. Then I'm gonna have a section tag, and within tag section I'm gonna have a paragraph tag, and here I'm gonna type paragraph 3. Now I'm gonna type a couple more paragraphs. This is paragraph 4, another paragraph tag, and this is, I think we don't need this is paragraph 5, and I'm gonna remove this text from here and this text from here as well. It's safe, and this is what we have right now. We have got 5 paragraphs, 3 paragraphs inside div tag, and 2 paragraphs outside the div, and 1 paragraph number 3, within section tag. Now let's talk about Descendant Selector. Descendant Selector matches all the elements that are descendants of a specified selector. Let's say if you want to target all of these paragraphs which are descendants of this div, you can target it. Let's come in here and let's come in and type in here style tag. Within a style tag I'm gonna give a reference of our div tag as well as paragraph tag followed by curly braces, and here I'm gonna say background color to be yellow. It's safe. Now we have got other paragraphs as well, but notice that our paragraph 1, 2, and 3 are sharing the yellow background or this style, just because we have targeted the paragraphs of div or the descendant paragraphs of our div tag. So that was about Descendant Selector. Now let's talk about Child Selector. And for this I'm gonna make some changes here. Let's cut this paragraph from here and paste it in here. Hit save, and I'm gonna copy this paragraph and paste it in here, and let's change this 5 to 6. Hit save. This is what we have right now. Now I'm gonna delete this styling for now. We don't have any styling yet. Let me remove this. Do not save. Hit save. Now I'm gonna target the children of this div except paragraph, which is the children of section tag. Now just put greater than sign between these two tags, and I'm gonna add in here a color of yellow again. Hit save. Notice that our paragraph 1, 2, and 4 share yellow color, whereas this paragraph, or paragraph number 3, does not share this styling because this is not a child of div tag, whereas it is a child of section tag. So that was about the child selector. Now let's talk about adjacent sibling selector, which is represented with plus sign, and I'm gonna make some changes here. Let's cut this line of code for now and paste it in here, and I'm gonna take another div here, just cut the ending tag and paste it in here. And I'm also gonna cut this paragraph from here and paste it here because we don't need the section tag. Hit save, and let me delete this setting for now. Hit save, and now I'm gonna let's fix this and this as well. Hit save. Now see that we have two paragraphs within this div, two paragraphs 3 and 4 inside this div, and two paragraphs outside any other divs. And now to target this paragraph number 3, and let's copy these paragraphs and paste it in here, and I'm gonna say it 4, this gonna be 5, 1, 2, sorry, it will be 3, this will be 4, and this will be 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit save. Now we have got 8 paragraphs and 2 paragraphs inside divs and 2 paragraphs outside divs. Now you can target the adjacent paragraph of this div by just come in here and type plus sign, and I'm gonna type in here background color, say yellow green. Hit save. Now notice that paragraph number 3 and paragraph number 7 share this styling because we have added here adjacent sibling selector. Now we are left with general sibling selector, and for that I'm gonna make some changes here. Let's copy these 2 paragraphs, or let's delete all of them to avoid any confusion, and I'm gonna have a couple of paragraphs here. Paragraph 1, and I'm gonna copy it a couple of times. Let's name it 2, paragraph number 3, paragraph number 4, paragraph number 5. But here I'm gonna make some more changes. Let's add a div tag here, and inside this div I'm gonna cut this paragraph from here and paste it inside here. And after our third paragraph, I'm gonna add in here code tag, and this is some code. And now I'm gonna delete these two paragraphs. Hit save. Yes. Now I'm gonna add in here just tilde sign, hit save, and now paragraph number 3 and paragraph number 4 share these settings because we have added here general sibling selector, and because of this selector now we can select all elements that are next siblings of this div. And our first sibling is paragraph number 3 after this div, and the second sibling is paragraph number 4. It does not target this code selector here. So that was all about all of the combinator selectors. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.